So yeah, hi Kiran, me glad to have you on the call. We've been following up with the program for last almost 4 months. You completed 4 months on the program. How do you feel?
I feel something proud and it's a great achievement and with the support of you and you are behind of me in all the aspects and giving the ideas and checking twice what I'm doing every day that helped me a lot to reach my goal within this short period of time.
Right. How much have you lost so far?
So far I lost 32 pounds.
Wow, that's
30
so amazing. And you
Yes.
are, I know you're super busy, you're a mom of two, but in spite of that, how do you feel that giving importance to our own health, isn't it super important?
Yes, it's very important. Once we hit with the COVID in 2022, our health got like hit so much, our fitness level hit the bottom. It was so hard for us. Sometimes I'll underestimate if somebody ring the bell, am I able to walk from the bed to the door?
Hmm.
So little by little I'm getting out of that COVID symptoms and all that, but after that I was not the same like earlier. I was super active and all that. My weight was 140. I was on the leaner side and all that, but I was feeling so nervous what's going on with my body. I was clueless. I was trying whatever I tried earlier. I was clueless and the results are not also consistent. Something is dragging me behind to go back to all the processed food or unhealthy food, which I am not like that earlier too.
Mm-hmm.
But after Keely, I heard your webinar in one of the community, so I connected and I started my journey with you from there. I'm so thankful for that. That day, if I could have missed the webinar, I could have lost this WQ community. I feel so proud about listening to that community and especially Shilpa. Yeah,
That's good.
yeah.
And kids are also eating healthy now with you because you are setting the right example for them, right?
Yes, yes, yes. They are Shilpa became like our family member now. Everything, if they have any doubt or any question, they will say, "We will ask Shilpa, or you ask Shilpa." They know that every week I have a follow-up call with you. They will say, "Okay, let's discuss with Shilpa. From there, we will decide." Now they are into the healthy habits. I'm happy.
That's so sweet.
I'm happy.
Yeah, and I'm
Yeah.
so proud of you that you and Srinivas decided to change your cooking vessel. The moment I suggested, you both didn't hesitate to invest in the cookware. How do you feel about that investment?
Yeah, that investment is every dollar is worth it. I highly recommend. Even I bought for my parents, they loved it. I am using everything pretty much every day. I love it. All the health issues are gone. Hair fall is gone for us. Like it got reduced a lot. Srinivas used to have a ulcer issue, so when he eat the like a vegetarian protein every day, his stomach is not cooperating him for everything, so he used to go to the animal protein on the regular basis.
Hmm.
But now with these visuals and with this method of cooking, by touchwood, he's good and he's good, doing great with the vegetable options. He's not going for non-vegetarian anymore.
That's awesome because our body is meant to digest well the vegetables and the protein from there. I'm so happy that you both are seeing great results and continuing with the journey, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true, Shilpa. And even the videos which you post on the Instagram, those are also very motivating us and to like you look into every healthy options in a creative way every day. Oh my God. I was thinking like it takes a lot of time for me to explore and edit whatever I'm doing, but it's not that hard. With
Hmm.
your video, with your healthy tips, I am using my one of the creative way and you are putting some seasoning on that. I was able to prepare the healthy meals every day.
That's awesome. And you are doing the detox every pretty much every week or every other week, which
Yeah.
is helping you to reach your goal.
Yes, yes, yes. That's true. That's true.
That's
And
awesome.
I'm grateful to you every time when I'm on the detox day. You will check on me like, are you doing okay in the morning? And before night, when I text, tomorrow is my detox day, in the evening or late nights, you will ask me like, next day also, how are you feeling and all that. That feels me something like, somebody is there, like taking care of, like in a nice way, like a mom or a relative. I
Yes.
feel good about.
Yeah, that is how, that's why we say together it's easier because you have somebody to handhold you and walk you through the journey. Because trust me, doing a health journey is not as simple as we think.
Yeah, I totally agree for that. It's not, once we don't have a health, we know the value of it.
Yeah,
Once everything is great, we feel like we won't be standing on the earth. We will be in the heaven. We are,
yeah,
once we lose the health, we know the real value of it.
correct. Yeah. Great,
Yeah,
Kiranmai. I wish you all the best, and we still have some more some more to lose and some more to gain because
yeah,
losing the weight we gain our health. So
yes,
let's look forward to the positive journey ahead.
definitely, definitely, Shilpa.